Hey Fall Gamer Squad, it's me, Maddie. And today I'm making some fluffy slime. Dark blue. Yeah. I don't need that. Dark blue. Okay, so what you will need is some glue. Almost white glue. You will need some shaving foam. Not shaving cream, shaving foam. If you can't find that, use shaving cream. You need a bowl. Mine's dirty because I've already made slimes. Sorry that my hair's crazy. Yeah, I haven't brushed my hair today. You will need a spoon, baking soda, and contact solution. Like contact solution from Walmart. Basically everything's from Walmart. Except for the bowl and the spoon and the containers that I'm using. Well, I don't know where they are, so they come from. So first you will need the glue. I'm not gonna make it big. Actually, yeah, I am. Okay. I'm making slime all day. I'm so tired. And then you don't have to, but I'm gonna mix it. And to make a bigger slime than it was going to be, so a lot of it's on my spoon, but whatever. And then you're gonna need some shaving foam. It didn't go on. Yeah, I don't have a lot. Okay. Yeah, I made a mess. Yeah, and I think I added too much shaving cream. Yeah, I added too much shaving cream. More glue. This is crazy. This is a crazy slime. You're gonna need like 2 or 3 drops of blue food dye. Wow.
I tried these cupcakes and they're disgusting. I'm just kidding.
I made cupcakes. That's my dad. He's.
Oh, you're making a video?
Yeah. With my hair crazy and in pajamas. And guys, let's go get a paper towel. I was about to leave you guys, and I was like, no. Then now our table's gonna be really clean.
Thanks.
And ready to shave. That didn't happen. Sorry. This is a crazy video. Please hold on. Okay. I'm not at my station. Hold on. Okay, and then back. Beep. Okay. Situation done. This is a really dark slime. Pure baking soda from Walmart is awesome. Contact solution.
Is this mine to try?
Yeah. Wait, Mom, you're going on YouTube. I need to see your reaction. They need to see your reaction. Okay.
I like it. I like the candy pieces, the funfetti in the middle.
Yeah, I haven't tried it.
So good.
I'm excited. I'm gonna eat one after this video. Puppy whoopie whoppies! Oh. I have to tell my grandparents I'm on YouTube right now. cupcakes.
I smell
Do you want to be on YouTube?
all by herself.
Do you want to be on YouTube?
Hi.
But you were gonna see the. Okay. They're so good.
Better.
Num
I
num.
mean, it. I mean, I
Hi,
feel like
Papa.
I get some medicine.
I
I'm
can't.
busy.
Hi, baby.
I
My headache's better.
What are you doing?
making slime on YouTube.
You making slime on
Yeah.
YouTube?
Yeah. This is my video.
You're
You're not even in.
So I'm gonna take that in.
This is my favorite grandfather.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's nice and dark. I haven't even showed you the slime. Okay.
Pick
There
your
we go.
cupcake.
Hey, buddy.
Pick your cupcake. Pick your cupcake. I feel like this should be a cupcake vlog instead. I'll make another vlog, cupcake vlog.
Would you like a cupcake?
Maddie made them all by herself. Oh, yeah.
No,
Since you put it
actually, I
that way,
made
the
them.
answer's yes.
No.
You quit it.
Did you do them, Lee?
I helped make them.
You did not.
I had a small
Part
piece
of
of
it?
it, or the whole operation.
Well, sometimes you take one for the team.
This is
I don't
YouTube.
claim it.
Oh, did you just get up?
You weren't even in the frame. Frame.
Okay.
The frame.
I
I
got
just
the
had
one heavy
one.
on icing.
Yeah, I'm looking for one.
Heavy
It's
With
on icing,
raining,
white on
guys. It's
sprinkles.
raining. It's pouring.
Sprinkles are a little crunchy.
I know. She kept bringing them to me. Try
Would y'all like
these.
to take them to go?
You want us to leave?
It's a
Yeah.
cupcake vlog.
Put them in a bag. See you.
No.
I want
Yeah,
this one,
the
but I
lights
can't
don't
get
know.
to it.
I don't like them though. It's strong lighting.
Hey, thanks.
Just gotta
There
dig.
you
You
go.
gotta dig deep
And you
sometimes.
know, take it
Can I
for
eat
you to
it
go.
Can I eat it now?
Yes.
You can have one now and take one with you.
I've had nothing
Yeah.
to eat yet.
Oh.
Neither one of them.
Bam.
Yeah.
Thing.
I just lied.
I don't know.
I just ate a pancake and.
Well, you were eating something when I walked in.
We
And a
went
cupcake.
to- we went to
I said
the-
I just ate a cupcake.
We went to the store and shared the morning with people.
Yeah.
I would think it wouldn't be as peoply on a Sunday morning.
It was pretty quick
was
to get.
busy.
It was quick to get out of there.
It was quick and easy.
Yeah, we checked out easily, but Maddie, I think this is the best cupcake I've ever had.
Thank you.
Is it?
Is it actually?
Not any of us.
Look at all that frosting.
That's when we see most people.
On a
Are my
Sunday
teeth
morning,
blue?
because
At
that's where
church.
everybody
Nice.
is.
Are my teeth blue?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The back ones.
I'm gonna have one.
The back was probably rotten.
I'm getting in on this party.
Look at what you've made.
Okay,
I am
so
proud of you.
Mimi texts this morning.
It's stretchy under
and
the
said,
frame.
Not
Yeah.
church
Really? Is Lee just Lee?
With it. I'll never be the same.
Jingle bells. Yeah.
And Lee didn't hear any of that with his celebrity hearing. And then
No.
Janice called
can't hear.
Mimi and said she wasn't going to church because Joe's having chest pain. But he had gotten up at. Have you lost weight?
Mhm.
Like how much?
Probably 5.
Nice.
That's my blood dog channel. Get
Yeah,
down.
but-
He's up in
Get
the
down in the
office, so he's
frame.
not right there at the food
But I
office.
can,
That
Guys, I
down
but I
think
there?
can,
helps.
yeah,
I
you
can
do
put
get
it on real quick.
That's
Oh,
my
no.
brother.
That's my
My
problem.
favorite one.
Yeah, I mean, what, I figure I can lose another 10 when I can't walk up and down the stairs.
Because I have 4 of them.
Yeah.
4 annoying ones.
Yeah, at this point, you might as
Well,
well stay meaty.
He considers.
He's one.
Did you hurt your little nipples when you said get that ball?
And it
Oh,
You
was-
know what I did?
Tell Ken about your
When-
best slide all day.
When you did that, I knew you were gonna do it, but I was like, oh, shit. That's cool.
Yeah, you're gonna
What I do.
Is it brown blood?
I said, not
Did they
to
break
scare
it?
her, but-
There was a whole
So-
bunch of, yeah, when
I was worried about you.
I couldn't believe it.
Then I was worried if you had sliding pants on.
And went.
I thought, man, he's gonna be like a bloody mess.
Tell him about your all out slide. though.
Woke up not.
This was epic.
Woke up
No, he
feeling
gave us to go
worse.
ahead and go get our
Tells
pants
about
and
it.
everything.
Oh, you just said that.
His room, buddy. Sorry,
And,
was going off jogging with me?
Why did you
No,
get
I don't.
No, we
Yeah,
Are
guys.
you
This is
I was,
too
I was,
much. It's just
I was
slow, but
raking
it
the
will
field
be
and I
big.
heard the slap.
because I still have all.
Where is this? His feet came out
That's
from
sticky.
under him.
Still seated.
That's same.
Kind of mud.
Sore.
Oh, he hit and
Can
just
you
laid
get that
there.
out? And also,
Everywhere.
We won't do that again, will you?
No.
also, I have a.
He went down and
pile
he's-
of clothes I need to get you.
A what?
I have a
Come
whole
to
set.
my house. Why don't you come to my house and do them?
I'm doing good, dude.
Is that a no? Jennifer,
What was that?
the answer to what you say
Yeah, I'm
is
just gonna
that
get
a
the
no?
clothes.
Is that a no?
You're here.
Hey,
I've
so,
got a load of groceries in the car.
I couldn't see, I got my glasses changed, that ball you hit? I didn't see it come down, how close it was to the fence.
It hit the fence.
So
was
I
the
haven't been
riser.
talking.
390.
That was one of those where he got underneath it and the ball
So
like,
this is
went up.
not the end result.
Instead of like, and it was on a line. That was,
I tracked it
Because
right
I
up
need
to
to
the
add some
point
more
where I
shit.
stopped tracking that and was watching where he was going.
right?
Cause I figure I can't see it,
Yeah.
I'll know how serious he
That's so
is.
nasty.
You'll know how far he hit it
I
if he's
found
coming to
a
throw.
piece of another slime
You'll
that
you'll know how
glittered
good
Yeah.
it
and
was.
it
So that was my,
came this
that was
time.
my,
So
That was dead center
be
too.
mad
Yeah,
at
it hit the
me.
390 where the 397 would have been.
So it went about
Whenever you see it.
389 feet.
I will be
your
there.
swing
On a
was
line.
very,
Where's your car?
Yeah, again, if you want to be
It's
friends
with Parker.
with me, I will be accepting every single one that asks me to be friends in the box.
yeah.
I not
Church is
may
great. It
be
teaches you
online
not
a
to lie.
lot. I may
See, I read his
not.
face down, he
So,
thought I was just really
My
gonna
name
Well,
is
slap
yeah, I
him.
mean,
Rachel.
no, I mean,
Fall
he's
down.
sitting there thinking, oh,
And
what
I
age?
have a
gonna say
cat on my
one time,
shoulder
you know,
on
he
a
could
brown
honestly
hill.
go to jail.
I feel
You know
like-
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
that. So you're kind of setting him up for that,
Okay.
just saying.
So, hope you like this video. If you did, smash that
Oh,
like
bite me.
button and subscribe and notification button so you know whenever I post a video. Oh.
It wasn't my turn to take.
So-
It was David's turn.
Oh my God, there you go.
Bye.